You've got an intelligent personal assistant right on board.
Hey BMW, find me the nearest coffee shop.
Here's what I found. You can say things like, take me to the first one. Which one do you want?
The first one.
Okay. Coffee stop, 82 Broadway.
This seamless technology builds a comprehensive profile over time that learns your preferences, including frequent destinations and climate settings, and can help you with everything from finding your nearest gas station to playing your favorite songs. After logging in with your BMW ID, go to the Personal Assistant app or click the widget on the control display. Here, you can see example commands and tips. Now, get the intelligent personal assistant ready. Activate online speech processing and data analysis for the best experience. For enhanced results, your intelligent personal assistant needs a good data connection.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?